All right, today we're going to introduce the basics of slab to you. So slab, think of it as a flat piece of clay. It's made flat usually with a rolling pin, so you can kind of see what's here. And if you use sticks that are the same thickness, then your slab is guaranteed to be that same thickness. This is used to create things like boxes. In our case, it might be your sculptural element, or it might be the base of the form that you create with mostly doing coils. So I'm going to walk you through that basic. So I've got a little bit of clay. In this case, I picked something out that I've wedged already. I also figured out what shape I want my slab to be. So once you roll your slab, it kind of makes an organic shape, but then you can cut it to be whatever shape you want. All right, so I've got my clay. I also have with me some sticks and a rolling pin. In this case, I picked out sticks that are the same size, same thickness, so that my slab will be the same thickness across. I put them on each side, and then I have my rolling pin over the top. So I'm gonna start rolling, and your rolling pin only stretches it in that one direction. So if I want it to become a circle or a square, I have to keep lifting it up and turning it. Notice I'm doing this on the canvas. If I did it directly on the table, it would get stuck to it because it's a shiny, porous surface. Okay, I'm turning it. Ignore for now the cracks that you might see. I'm just gonna keep going until it won't move anymore. So if you notice, right now it's the same thickness as my sticks. It won't change shape. At this point, before doing anything with it, it's nice to take a damp sponge and go over the surface just to kind of clean it up. This is a way to get rid of any of those cracks. And you might notice the edge of your slab has some cracks, some imperfections. Typically, you'd cut out your shape with slab, so it's not something that you have to preserve and keep the whole thing. So for me, I decided I want to have this shape as the base of my form, something I'm going to work with. So I can go and use my needle tool or my knife tool and cut around it. And that way I'll have a cleaner edge. I can kind of get off those distorted pieces. And if we pick it up just so that you can see, it's now a consistent thickness all the way across because I used those sticks. So this is like the basic of slab. Now, if I wanted to add something to it, I could slip and score that right on top.